CM2002U supports USB 3.0 output, default 1080p 60fps high definition image. You can also choose between YUV for accurate color or MJPG for fast transmission formats. 4. HDMI enables simultaneous monitoring. Flexible power supply. It can automatically recognize USB or DC sharp power supplies. Control is also convenient. Both TTL and RS485 are supported. It can also automatically convert Sony and Pelco protocols. Factory upgrade interface. External keys. Power supply加 serial port. Communication interface. USB 3.0 output interface. RS485 interface custom camera TTL. Take FCBCR8530 as an example. Connect the FCBCR8530 to the movement using an LVDS cable. LVDS with the metal side facing up. The video feed will be output once the power is turned on. Can be applied to a variety of scenarios. CM2002U4K Sony USB encoding version, such as industrial manufacturing, surveillance patrols, road monitoring, etc.